Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Syafiq Hanif bin Mohamad Halim. I am from Group 15 and I am also the game artist for the team. And this will be my reflection video for the final project. Okay, first of all, what do I learn? The main thing I learned from creating the project is understanding game development process. First is learn the principle and the fundamentals of game design, which is the mechanics, rules, logics of the game that we will be applying into the game that we will be creating. Then gaining the whole knowledge of the whole game process. This is from the start of ideation, asset creation, programming, testing the prototype, and also the submission date. Then becoming familiar with the popular game engine Unity, which is the game engine that's being used to develop the game, and the tools and features of how to develop the game. Then as a game artist, I also develop skills in creating game assets and making enjoyable UI designs for the game. Then I also learn about programming and scripting. This is because animation in Unity also required to use the scripting to make the movement of the animation possible. Lastly, experience in managing game development projects, working in teams, coordinating tasks, and meeting deadlines. This is because we are working in a team of 3. There is the game designer and also the game programmer. Each of us have our own tasks, but each of us have their own deadline, and we will cover each other when there is needed. Now looking into the bringing the best of ideas, which is the first step of ideation. This is where I learned to do a lot of research on finding the best ideas for the project. The progress starts with doing research on the internet, looking for the game similar or according to the theme given by the lecturer, which is a soccer game. Here I propose the game Dinosaur Soccer Game with Guns at first to my team members, but was rejected. Then the other team members will point out their ideas, which we follow up by the process of finding the relevance of the idea and make sure the idea fulfills the criteria provided. And finally, we picked the best of ideas, which is Dinosaur Air Hockey, according to the theme soccer game by the lecturer. Next, I learned about team collaboration. This is because collaboration is crucial in creating the game project. And also, my team members are a new people for me because I never worked together with them before, even though we are in the same class many times. Then I also have achieved something in my role, which I discovered the challenge of my role in being game artist is not actually easy. I also learned about making a better design throughout my experience based on the critique given and discussion with other team members. Here I discovered new techniques and new skills. For example, making UI design a lot faster by converting the existing templates according to my design rather than making up from scratch, using assets from Asset Store, and also learn the use of new tools such as Adobe Audition, which is a tool for editing musics and sounds, which I use to create the background music for the game Dinosaur Air Hockey. And that's all from me. Thank you.